Hi guys, Silver for Fun here. Got something a little bit different for you today. Rather than coins or various metal or gold items that I collect, this is a cheap automatic watch. I've seen quite a few reviews on this particular watch. I don't normally review watches. I do like watches, but I'm not a big spender when it comes down to watches. I'm not into. I like to look at things like Rolexes and Omegas and Seikos, Grand Seikos, all that malarkey, but totally out of my price range. So I thought I'd have something that hopefully looks okay, works, does the job, but for a fraction of the price. So this particular watch is less than £100 by quite a bit. Current watch that I wear on a day-to-day basis is this here. So I do like my analog watches. This is a Timex IQ Plus, I think it's called, with the activity meter, so you can log what your activity is during the day, like steps or whatever, or how long you're sleeping, all sorts of things. So this connects to your telephone, although it's not a real smartphone, as smart watch as such, but that's my current watch. So I thought I'd have something that would just update it a little bit. So let's just open this up. Now, I've not seen one of these in the flesh. I've seen them in the pictures. I've seen them on YouTube channels. First impressions of the box. It's like a leathery sort of feel. It's quite nice. With a huge Invicta logo on it. Now the moment of truth, let's open it. Eee, look at that. So what we got in here? Oh, we've got a membership card. So I need to register and become a member, and I get a 3-year extra warranty. That's kind of cool. That is the actual warranty. So I shall read that with much excitement later on. My job in the real life is to do with warranty, so it is my thing. But on cars, not on watches. What's this? Invicta service. Right, okay, cool. So then, oh, that's nice. Feels quite nice. God, that's heavy actually. Well, I wasn't expecting that. I quite like that box. It's quite nice. It looks quite nice. It is quite sturdy. Very nice. Very nice. All right. So, first impressions. See, it's got a big cover over there. Let's take that off. You can see it properly. Oh, that's my other watch. Oh, it goes off every single day at 4 o'clock. Right, so initial impressions is it's quite weighty. I wouldn't say I'm a watch expert, so everything I say is in complete layman's terms. A lot of people criticise the fact that it's got Invicta written down the side, but at the end of the day, you're buying an Invicta watch, so why wouldn't you display it? I mean, it's not. Yes, although it has an homage to the Rolex, it's not a Rolex. It's never going to be a Rolex. It's not in the same league as a Rolex, and you can't expect it to be a Rolex or pass it off as a Rolex. So it is an Invicta. So You certainly wouldn't buy a Rolex or an Omega or something like that and then complain that their logo is too big. So I think it's alright. The crown only goes one way by the looks of it. Let's just unscrew that. There we go. Right, so pull it out. There we go. There's the dates. And as it's the 30th of December currently, we'll put that to the 30th. And then pull it out again, do we? Oh, that turns nice. Right, so the time now is just a couple of minutes after 4. And I know this is the spot on time because this links onto the telephone time, and that's always accurate. So it's about there, 2 minutes past. There we go. Then screw it back in. Oh no, hang on. You need to wind it. Now the colour, it's a really deep blue. Again, it doesn't really show enough justice when you're looking on videos. When I've looked at other people's videos, it's a really vivid blue, that is. Let's give this a bit of a wind. Oh, just wind it in. Like that. Oh, that's it. Is it? Well, I should read the manual really. But let's have a look at other things while we're here. Let's take this off. So let's just take that out. Take all this polythene that we don't need any more of. Another quite large Invicta stamp there. As you can see, it's got the NH35A mechanism in there, which is really nice. Gives it a little bit of extra dimension. And then we've got, let's just take all this rubbish off. So for a first automatic watch, I mean, yeah, when I was a little kid, yeah, every watch I think was manual wind. But it's just the way it was, and then everything's gone to quartz crystal with batteries, etc, etc. So this is just nice. This is going to take me a bit of time just to sort this out. Another bit of criticism. Ah, hang on, there's an arrow there. Another bit of criticism is the bracelet, and to be honest, it's not that bad. I mean, if you're comparing it with something, you know, that's say over £1,000 or something, it's going to be absolute trash. But for the price that I paid for this, it's fine. It's alright, isn't it? The sweep's nice. I just think it looks quite nice. I mean, I've got to adjust it because it is absolutely mahoosive for my wrist. But it's got a nice weight to it. I'm really quite impressed with it. Now I paid, what did I pay for this? I think I paid £65. So £65. I think you can't go wrong. So anyway, just to give you the measurements, it's a 40mm case size. As I said, it's got a NH35A mechanism in there. Obviously it's not real gold, it's not real silver, it's just a pretendy watch really. It's just something that looks a little bit nice, and it'd just be a bit of a change from wearing my normal Timex. So we'll see you next time. Thanks for watching. Bye.